Storage mode, if equipped, disables a number of features to preserve battery life when your vehicle will be stored or not used for an extended period of time. Some vehicles will enable this feature automatically if the vehicle has not been started after several days, or if the 12-volt battery reaches a low state, but it can also be enabled manually. When you're ready to enable, put the vehicle in the on-run position, but do not start the vehicle. Go to the Vehicle Information page in your instrument cluster, then to the 12-volt battery gauge subpage. Press and hold the OK button on your steering wheel to request storage mode. Then simply turn off the vehicle to engage it. When you're ready to exit storage mode, just start your vehicle back up. If digital key is available for your vehicle, it can also be used to start the vehicle by tapping the phone to the wireless charging pad and pressing the start button. Your vehicle's branded app may also send you notifications concerning the vehicle's storage mode. Keep in mind that connected services are unavailable in storage mode. Some features on your key fob, like remote start, do not work in storage mode. However, locking and unlocking will still function. If equipped with digital key, its keyless enter and go features will be disabled. Make sure to check your rear seats for children and pets, as the rear seat alert will also be unavailable. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.